Okay, so before we generalize the area of any regular polygon, let us first, or lastly, we will be solving for the area of a regular hexagon. Of course, you know that a regular hexagon is a regular polygon with 6 sides. Okay, so very similar to what we have done for polygon with 4 sides and 5 sides. We also divide, no? We also divide this polygon into certain or several isosceles triangles. Okay, so we start with making an apothem because we are given that in this case you are given with the length of the apothem, which is p, no? So that's an apothem p. So we are going to make isosceles triangles. So how many isosceles triangles you can make from here, or how many isosceles triangles can be constructed? There are 6, right? Okay, that's 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 regular polygons. So, okay, this is P. Then we will magnify this part. So we will take this isosceles triangle. We will magnify it a bit. Okay, like this. Okay. And this is P. That's P. So, and then we will solve this part. We'll solve this smaller triangle. This is actually a right triangle. So we will magnify again. Magnify lang natin. So this is P. Now, of course, we know that the area, this is the right angle. The area of this triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay, so that's 1/2 base. We do not know how much is the base, but let's just label it as base. So base, of course we know that the height is just p. So we will be again expressing the base in terms of p. Okay, so but we need this angle. So we will go back to this part here. So this angle is just half of this. Tama? So this angle is just half of this. So if we know this, we just get half, and then that is the resulting angle there. Again, from here up to here, that is equal to 360 degrees. So how much is this angle? This angle is actually this angle. Okay? So how much is this angle? That is just 360 degrees divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, that's simple. It's just 60 degrees. Okay? So therefore, this is 60 degrees. And this is 60 degrees. Okay? Half of 60 degrees is 30. So therefore, that is 30 degrees. So, using the tangent function, why we use tangent again? Because we are solving for the opposite side, opposite over given adjacent. So we have tangent 30 degrees equal to opposite base, opposite over adjacent, 2. Tangent, opposite over adjacent, and the adjacent side is P. Okay? So multiply P, multiply P. So you have here base is equal to P tangent 30 degrees. Okay? So therefore, the area of this right triangle is just 1/2. What's the base? P tan 30. P tangent 30 degrees times P. Or that is just 1/2 P squared tangent 30 degrees. That's the area of this triangle. So what is the area? The area of this is A. This is also A, so 2A. So again, that is A prime, is just A plus A. This is 2A. And what is 2 times A? 1/2 P squared tangent 30 degrees. So that is just A prime equal to p squared, because 2 times 1, that is 1. So 1 times p squared is p squared. Tangent 30 degrees. Okay, going back here. The area of one isosceles triangle is p squared tangent 30. So what is the area of this whole polygon? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The area is this. So therefore the area, no, the area is 6 times a, because there are 6 a prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? A prime, the area is a prime, a prime, a prime, a prime, a prime, a prime. So there are 6. It's equal to 6 times p squared tangent 30 degrees. Okay, so if you have 6 sides, the area is just equal to 6 p squared tangent 30 degrees. Okay, now we will look for pattern. No? So you have 4 sides, you have 5, you have 6. Suppose you have, for example, 10 sides. So what should be the area? Now, look at the relationship. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 10. So therefore, there should have 10 here. And then, p squared, you have p squared here. So you have p squared. You have tangent. Of course, it's tangent. But the problem is, the values of tangent are decreasing. 45, 36, 30. So, if there are 10 sides, what do you think is the value of the tangent here? Okay, so to answer that part there, let's continue to n sides. You have, for example, n sides. So, the polygon has n sides. No? So, of course, the area will still be n. Tama? You have p squared tangent. Okay. So, what did we do here? First, we divide 360 degrees by the number of isosceles triangles formed. In this case, you have 360 divided by 6. No? In this case, you have 360 divided by 4. Divided by 4, divide it again by 2. You have 45. 360, you divide it by 5. No? So, the answer is 72. Divide it again by 2. Why did we divide by 2? After you divide 360 here, the answer is this angle. Tama? So, 360 divided by 6, the answer is 60. That's 60. Then, after you have obtained 60, to get this angle here, which we use for tangent, simply divide it by 2. So, it's like 60 divided by 2, you have 30. That's the same thing for 45, no? So, 360 divided by 4, 360 divided by 4, that's equal to 90 degrees. And then, after that, 90 degrees divided by 2. So, you have 45 degrees. Okay, well, what about for polygon with 5 sides? So, you have first 360 degrees divided by 4, because there are 4 congruent isosceles triangles, 5. So, that is equal to 72 degrees. And then, we divide again 72 into 2. So, that's 72 degrees divided by 2. That's 36 degrees. So, we have 36 degrees. So, we see a pattern. Now, so what's the pattern? The pattern is, if you have a regular, for example, you have a regular, it has n sides, no? You have n sides. You make an apothem here, somewhere here, No? So, this is 360 degrees. No? That's 360 degrees. We divide it by the number of isosceles triangles formed. Pila ka isosceles triangles we can form. So in this case, because there are n sides, there are also n, there are n isosceles triangles. So we divide it by n. Okay? So after you divide by n, you can make one isosceles triangle. There are n of them here. So that's 360. This is 360 over n. And then after that, you divide it by 2 so that you can make a smaller right triangle. So divide it by 2, no? So divide it by 2 to get this angle for tangent. So that is equal to 360 degrees over n. Right, divide 2, that is same thing as 1/2. Or that is just 360 degrees over 2n. Or that is just 180 degrees over n. So therefore, if you have n sides, simply to get 45 is just 180 divided by 4. Okay? What is 180? Okay, 45. 180 over 4. 45. What is 180 over 5? 36. What is 180 over 6? 30. So therefore, this is just equal to 180 over 10. Right? So therefore, this is a tangent 18. Okay? 18 degrees. So, what should be the general formula here? 180 degrees over n. So, that's the area of any regular polygon with n sides. So, we take note of this important formula. So, what is given in this? What is given to find the area of any regular polygon? The number of sides and the length of the apothem p.